Okay, so if you don't want to go to college, can your parents force you to go to college, and should you listen to them if they want to force you, or if they really want you to go to college but you don't want to, should you listen to them? And can they force you? What can you do about it? Well, if you see, in this day and world, a lot of people, the way the world is set up, we do need to go to college. But if you're not ready for it, you should definitely just take your time, because college is something very serious, and you don't want to really start college when you're not ready, because it can be very detrimental. If you don't want to go, you're not motivated and you're being forced, just hold. Okay, it's easier to say than to do. But the thing is, okay, let's just talk about why is it that some parents don't really want their kids to go to college and immediately right after high school. One reason is it's a general norm, everybody does it, right? And another reason is the parents feel, hey, now if my child completes, I have educated them so much, I've spent so much money, I've taken care of them, and now if they finish college, then the child can go and start working, and then they might be able to help their parents out, or at least they will be independent and they won't trouble their parents so much for money. I mean, they won't have to be dependent on their parents for the money. So that's one reason. Then some parents, they like to brag, hey, my son did this, my daughter did this. So that's one of the reasons. Parents say, hey, come on, your neighbor, our neighbors, or this cousin, that cousin, they're doing it, so you got to do your college. Or they say, hey, I did my college, so go ahead and do it. So that might be one reason why parents would ask their kids to go to college. Another reason could be, some parents feel, hey, if my child finishes college, then they go get a job, then maybe after that they can get married and then start their own family, and I would like to see grandchildren. It could be any of these reasons, right, why parents want their child to go to college. And some parents, they're so much about the prestige. Hey, I did this, I'm in this position in my life, my child needs to go to college. They might be very serious about it, and in their point of view, they might be valid, but you know what, it's your life, right? So it's for you to decide, and you should do college when it's right for you, because it's for your life. It's something that should motivate you, and if it doesn't, then you should take a break and think about it, right? And then let's talk about why do kids, high school graduates, why don't they want to go to college? Well, it could be that you just didn't get admission to your favorite college, and then you're thinking, hey, now what should I do? And you just need some time. You should take your time. Don't force yourself and just do something that your parents want, which you might regret later, right? And or it could be that it could be a number of different reasons, right? Maybe you just don't know what to study in college. You don't know what college major to choose. Then what do? Then the best thing to do is take your time and figure out what college major is right for you. Of course, when you do start college, in the first year of college, you don't need to choose your college major. I mean, some cases you do, but in some cases we give you time to choose your college major. You have some flexibility. But it's always good to know before you start college, it's always good to know what college major you want to choose. And if you don't know it, take your time. Don't rush into it. Even if it goes to the next year, it's still okay. You know, you don't want to do something that you are not even interested in. Just take your time. And it could be that, okay, you want to do college, but you didn't get the right scholarships, and you don't want to take student loans. That's a valid reason. Maybe you just want to take a year off, or just get a job and then come back to college later as an independent student, or maybe still as a dependent student, right? So these are some of the reasons or maybe you just want a gap year. You feel, hey, I worked so hard, I'm not sure what to study, where to study, let me just take my time. Do take your time. Or some people may want to start a business, some kids may want to start a business and say, I'm ready to do it and I would like to do it. College is not so important right now, I'll come back to it later. So these are some different reasons why some children may say, hey, some kids, high school graduates may say, I would like to do college later. But one thing is, if you feel that, hey, I just don't need college, one thing to think about is, college, you know what, it has become a general norm. Whether when they do, with college, whether a person is actually maybe able to build a really good career after doing college, it all depends on the field they are in, how well they are able to position themselves and then work at it to build a career. So college by itself doesn't make a great career, but you know what, it's become a general norm. Everybody is looking for college. If you need a job, or if you have a business and you want to apply for a business loan, they will ask for your qualifications. Hey, are you qualified? Can you repay the loan? So there are many reasons why you should just do college. And even say you want to get married later on, your prospective spouse would be looking for, okay, are you educated, are you from a good family? So that's one of the things. It's better to just get college out of the way, finish it. But if you're not ready right now, you can always postpone it. You know, there are many different ways by which so saying completely no to college is probably not a good idea, but if you need to just push it out, do it. And what about parents? Should parents try to force their child to do college? There have been many cases. You know about a lot of celebrities, they push their kids to do college, and then what happens? And then they end up exactly following in what their parents said. They achieve things, they become great in their career, but then their personal life just shatters. Right? There are so many people for which it has happened. Personally, I've known cousins. One of them, she was pushed really hard. Her brother turned out okay, but she had a lot of psychological issues. Then they had another one of my cousins. She ended up really badly because she couldn't do well in math. So there's so many. I mean, there are so many different places where. Let me talk about some best cases. I have known a person who was forced to do college and do this, do that, and he did all of that, and then he achieved exactly what his parents wanted, and then he got some lot of international jobs. He did everything, but in the end of it, he didn't know himself, and then later on he wondered, what did I do with my life? So you don't want to be in that position. If you're not ready for college, just take a break. It's always worth it, because you need to know what you're doing before you do it. Just because you're a young adult, it doesn't mean that you don't know what to do when everybody else has to. Now is the time for you to start thinking seriously about what you want to do with your life. And now, okay, if you say that, okay, I would like to do college later, I have other things to do, or I just want to take my time, how do you talk to your parents? Maybe some of you just thinking, hey, I don't need to talk to my parents, I just do what I want to do. But you know what, it's always a lot easier if you can just get your parents' cooperation, because as long as you're not fully independent, it's always better to work with your parents, because ultimately, you know what, they're likely to have love for you, because of which they want you to do college, but maybe it's misguided. I mean, misguided meaning maybe they're pushing you to do college is misguided. So how do you talk to your parents? How do you tell them that you would like to take some time? This is one thing which is very, very important, and most importantly, this is more of a emotional issue than a logical one, because sometimes parents can get really hysterical, right? So how do you tell your parents? How do you tell your parents, I don't want to do college right now? Because, okay, so now that you've decided that you do want to do college, but you would like to maybe push it out, how do you talk to your parents? Because this is a very, very important decision. Being able to carefully talk to your parents without losing your cool and they might even get hysterical. They might say, hey, you know what, your cousin went to college, they did this, they have achieved this, they are so and so in life, and how about you? So these are all things, and then you might say, hey, come on, and you might get a little bit worked up, right? You might get a little bit angry, and so you have to be very careful, because if you get to that point, then there's no going back. So this is one discussion where both of you, when you talk to your parents, even if they're a little bit emotional or a little bit over than that, it's important for you to stay calm, because it's in your best interest. It's your life, it's your future, and if you need to delay college a bit, you need to be able to talk to them, and getting their cooperation will make it a whole lot easier for you, especially in these initial years when you're just getting the feel of things, right? After you're just out of school and you're just getting to that adult life. So just clearly tell them, dad, mom, this is the reason why I would like to push out college. Maybe you want to do a business, or you think that the right major is not available in the colleges that you got admission to, but you want to wait one more year, or you want to write an admissions test, you want to score better before you get into college. So you can always talk to them. Sometimes they may be confused, just talking may not be sufficient. You can show them brochures, you can show them some pictures, and just clearly tell them what it is you want to do. And another thing that you need to know is, college can be done in many different ways. Like supposing you decide you want to start a business right now, or you just want to push out college, you know what, college can be done in a campus, online, by distance, or by a hybrid method which contains all these different ways of doing college. Okay, you could mix them all up and have it into one college degree. You can do a few online courses, you can do a few courses on a campus, you can do a few distance courses. So even if you're busy, you have a business, you can still do college. And one way to do that is with degree completion colleges like Excelsior, and you can take a look at this particular post to get more information on degree completion colleges, or another video as well. And another thing is, like supposing that's the different ways in which modes of learning for college. Financing college, your parents could help you with college, or you could get scholarships. There are so many different ways by which you can finance college without taking student loans. And please do not take student loans, because they can seriously hamper your life for many years. Don't take student loans, but parents can help with college. You could get a job during college, which will help you, and you can get a scholarship. So many different ways by which you can fund college. And then you can do college right after high school, you can do it after a few years. There are options. Look at degree completion colleges. And okay, if you decide that you want to go to study in an Ivy League, you'll need to prepare a lot. You have to write your SATs, and you have to score really well, have a good high school GPA. So if you want to go that route, for some people it's very rigorous. Ivy Leagues are very rigorous, but for some people it's worth it, and then you get a good network of people, and you could really set up your career. But for some people, the stress and burden of Ivy Leagues is just not right for them. So you need to decide, do you want to go that route or not? If you're thinking Ivy League, taking a few gap years could hurt you also. I mean, you need to look at these different things. And then living location, like you can live with your parents when you do your college. Maybe you want to do community college and then go to so just to make sure you don't get any student loans, you want to start with community college, then you want to go to for university for the 4-year transfer, and so on. So there are many different ways. You could live with your parents, you could live in a dorm, or you could live with other roommates in an independent accommodation. So there are many different ways by which you can, even your living location, or you could do college full time, you can do it part time if you're holding a job or a business. So there are many ways you can customize your college experience, and it doesn't have to be one set way of, hey, I need to go take this job, join this college immediately after high school, no matter what, whether I like it or not. Don't go there, okay? You'll regret it if you do that. Just take your time and do it if you think it's right for you. And another thing is like parents. So you know what? This is all a question of is the parent and the child, are they able to really empathize with each other, and then to really understand? Is the parent able to see what is this child undergoing? I mean, can I try to understand that and then help them to be happy and still do the right thing? And for the child to see, hey, this is my parent. My parent has also been a child just like me. They have been young, they have been sometimes impulsive, and they've gone through all these emotions. So maybe they're trying to help me. So I mean, it may not always be the case that the parents are going to lose. It's always good if you can just look at what your parents are going through, and if you're a parent, just look at what your child is going through, and then try to find a way by which both of you can be happy. Because you know what, college can be done in many different ways. There's no one way. So if you think you need to, your parents are forcing you and you don't want to do college, just talk to them, and as a parent, just listen to your child and then figure out the right way. There are so many ways to do college. I mean, just take a look at these degree completion colleges and you'll know. Just try to understand one another, and then by doing this, your relationship will be so much stronger and your child will be more successful than ever.